I want you to see this magnificent greenhouse that Bob put together. This is a definitely do-it-yourself greenhouse, and he builds it so strong because, you know, when you make it yourself, you have to be a little creative. But this is gorgeous. I'm going to have so much fun in here. So I'm going to just walk you through it. It's really not that big, but it's very big compared to what it was. This is the area I had before without that wall, actually. It was just this little area here with a very heavy glass roof. So you see he redid the roof. These doors that we got, that we put up, are smoked, and it's perfect because they're on the north side and we don't care about that side. And it hides the garage over there. So you can see it's kind of a great greenhouse here. I'm just really happy with it. This little divider we're going to keep up, and I'll probably string my Everglades tomatoes up here. And those are just starting out. So it's almost December, and we moved in our plants that we want to protect for one reason or another. And I'm going to put all of the plants that would cast shade away from this side here and put them in the back. And this is the tall side. And in the back, of course, we have our little work area. My peppers really love it in here, and they're starting to have flowers everywhere. But I'm pretty happy that my peppers are happy. And this is my late crop of lettuce starters. I'm going to plant them over in a bed in a little while. I just want to show you how I get rid of the extras. You have to thin these out. And I go ahead with a little bunch because, of course, I planted too much. And if you pull them out, you're going to hurt the other roots. So you basically just pinch them and maybe twirl them, pinch them and twirl them. And I want to wind up with one or two in its own little space, and then I'll transplant them over in a bed in the small garden. My compost pile is really like my worm compost pile. I just let all the worms just grow in here, and I add new compost under it, either at one end or the other. You know you have a healthy compost pile if it doesn't stink, believe it or not. You can't put grease, milk, citrus. Eggshells are fine, but you should crush them up or they'll take like 50 years to break up. This is so good for the plants. In March or April, I'm going to be taking cups and cups and cups of this and putting it all over my plants. My granddaughter loves to come out here and play with the worms. I bring the worm casting compost over here to my planting table, and I thin it out and get out any debris, and then my end product is what I'll go put on my plants. So that's it for now. God bless you all.